Hello guys, good evening to all of you. I am Satyavir Singh speaking here, and today I will teach you some important topics about limitations, differentiability, integrativity. Actually guys, I made a new channel, Apex School. This is my personal channel and I start my journey of YouTube. So now I'm starting to teach something topics, and I have been made some videos about math, physics and chemistry, but now I'm thinking that I should make some videos over the mathematics. And some of the my students, they told me that you should make some videos about limitations, differentiability and integration. So guys, if you are studying class 12th mathematics, and if you are belongs to mathematics students, then please, if you want to study, then I will teach you by very simple methods, and the methods will be very clear. If you have any problem that time, then you can clear to me. Okay guys, so I will teach you Hindi medium, English medium, both. Okay, so no problem, I'm just starting and I'm thinking that I should do strategy, approach, methods. So I'm starting now. Okay guys, firstly I'm telling you, these topics come in kalan. In Hindi we can say kalan. So kalan, in this kalan there are three topics come. Number one, limitation. Number two, differentiate. Number three, integration. So first of all guys, limitation is the base of this. And now you are thinking that how can you say that the limitations is the base of this? Yes, I'm telling you. First of all, you have to know how to solve the limitations question. Then you can solve some question. You can make some formula of the integration. That's called first order डिफरेंशिएशन, राइट। फर्स्ट ऑर्डर प्रथम सिद्धांत से जो अपकलन करते हैं हम, वो इससे करते हैं लिमिटेशन से, तो हुआ ना इसका बेस। फिर इसके बाद में जो हम पढ़ते आते हैं कि लिमिटेशन के बाद इसको पढ़ते हैं डिफरेंशिएशन को, और डिफरेंशिएशन के बाद में किसको पढ़ते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन को। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाइज, आई एम स्टार्टिंग दिस सीरीज एंड आई विल मेक एंड आई विल क्लियर दिस टॉपिक्स एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, एंड आई स्टार्टेड टुडे एंड देन दिस टॉपिक विल बी कंटिन्यू। सो विदाउट एनी doing further delay, so guys, we should start what I have made for you, just made for you guys. Okay, if you are belongs to from 12th class, then you can study here, and if you are from the other class like 11th, 10th, 9th, whatever, you can write in the comment in description, and then you can tell me. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and now we should start now, please. So limitations, differentiation and integration, these are parts of the column, we can say column. Okay, so derivative we can say. So first of all we are going to study over the limitations, because limitations limitation is the base. So limitations in Hindi we can say सीमा. So everything, every function has limitations, so we are going to clear these topics. So first of all before solving some question, we have to learn some formula guys. So this is the exponential series, like e raised to power x equal to 1 plus x upon 1 factorial plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x cube upon 3 factorial plus dot up to infinity. e Now second formula, e raised to power minus x equal to 1 minus x upon 1 factorial. There is no different, only if here minus, then alternatively will come minus plus, and here in this all the sign how positive, but here one negative, alternatively negative. Alternate means एकांतर, एक को छोड़ के एक। फिर दूसरा log 1 plus x, तो so the formula of log 1 plus x minus x square upon 2 plus x cube upon 3. In log there is no factorial guys, don't mistake like this. Okay, this is the factorial, and factorial you can make also like this. So both are symbol. No sorry, but you can't apply here because in log there is no formula. Plus x cube upon 3 dot ये alternatively negative, and log 1 minus x there is a all minus, here minus in the starting all the minus up to show on infinitive. And the very important formula sin x, and I like this formula basically because by these two formulae we can make so many formulae, guys. So just we should revise sin x equal to x minus x cube upon 3 plus x 5 upon 5 factorial minus dot dot, and here also alternatively minus sign. Next, cos x equal to 1 minus x square upon 2 plus x की power 4 upon 4. So there is a something different here. The power is odd, but here the power is even. So you should say 1 minus x square 2 4 4 up to infinity. And guys, you should remember there is a alternatively plus minus. Okay. Next, formula number 7, 1 plus x equal to 1 plus small n x plus n negative 1 into x square upon 2 plus dot 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 up to infinity. Next, 1 minus x raised to power n equal to 1 minus nx plus n into n negative 1 into x square upon 2 factorial dot 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 up to infinity. So these are formulae, and we are going to solve some important questions over this. So guys, I'm telling you firstly, these are formulae. Okay, you can mention this formulae, and I think you mention. And next strategy is that I am going to write some condition of this. Okay, some condition of this. So please wait over this. Now there is a something formula also, but there is condition only in determinate form. In determinate form. In determinate form. Guys, what is the indeterminate form? Those form which we can't find, which we can't solve. Okay, they form are called indeterminate form. In Hindi you can say anidharya form. Anidharya roop. Anidharya roop. So indeterminate form, guys, you can't solve. So what are the indeterminate form? So if you are solving any question, then if there will come infinity upon infinity and there is a number, I don't know, maybe anything else number, okay, and for a number and upon 0, this condition also, because when you divide any number by 0, there is a doesn't exist, okay, and then 0 upon 0, this also in determinate form. Okay, so these are basically 3 conditions. Okay, and some more cases will come again, so I will tell you in the next time. Okay, so first of all, we have noted some points, some formulae, and this also indeterminate form. So we have to skip. We have to skip. What we have skip? If we are solving any question and this situation will come there, these conditions will come, so we will be ignore, and we can use this formula which I written in the starting of the video. So first of all, we can use this formula, and then we can think about this. So this situation we can handle by the some formula and regulation. So now just start something question. And guys, how to take limit? When you are taking limit, so if there is no condition, infinity upon infinity and upon 0, this number may be anything else, 1 2 3, any x y z, any, but if comes 0 in denominator, so there will be some problem. So we can skip by the help of some formula which I written in the starting. Okay, so now let's be started one question, and if there is no problem, then we can start, no problem. We can take limit directly. If these conditions are not coming there, so we can skip, no problem. Okay, so now I'm writing one question. Okay guys, because we have to complete limitations, differentiability and integration. Believe in me, I will complete within 1 month. Okay, because I will make a continue video, and these are very simple topics, no problem. You can leave on me. Okay guys, so now I'm solving again. Now we will take some question answer and we will solve. Okay guys, so I'm taking very simple question firstly, so that you can take limit and you can solve very easily. Okay, okay guys, so first of all I'm taking question. Okay, randomly I'm taking question, no problem, but you have to take limit x tend to 2, and this is x square plus 2x plus 5. So find the evaluate this, evaluate this. So guys, limit x tends to, and this sign tends to t e and ds tends to, but d became silent, we can pronunciation like tends, t e and 2 tends to, d is silent. Okay, so you can say tends to. So limit x tends to x square plus 2x plus 5. Now what is the different in this? One second guys. Okay, so tends to, I told you in the starting. So now first of all you can take limit directly, take limit. If the indeterminate will come like 0.0 and any number upon 0 and infinity upon infinity, if the conditions are coming, then you can skip, you have to skip, because those conditions we don't know and we can't solve. So by the mathematical concept, we have to use this formula to get skip from those indeterminate condition. So now x is limit x tends to 2. Now I am taking limit. Now we are taking limits, we get. Okay guys, so now you can take limit directly. So this is the limit of x. You can put down in place of x, like I'm putting down 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 5, that is equal 2 to 4 plus 2 to 4 plus 5, there is a 4 4 8 5 13. Okay guys, so this is the answer. This is neither 0.0, infinity upon infinity, no, and there is no condition like this. So our question is very simple, very clear, we have solved, because these indeterminate condition are not coming here. So this is the correct answer. So I am removing this. So we have taken directly limit and we have got the answer. The answer of this on this limit is 13, right? Okay then. Now I am taking second question. Guys, you can solve any question, but I am telling you only some very simple example. You thinking that they are very simple example? No, actually I am taking randomly simple examples so that we can solve the question. Otherwise I can take hard question, but in the starting we are making our base, then we can solve. Second question is that limit x tends to 3, x tends to 2, 2 x square minus 4 upon x plus 3, right? Evaluate this. Now guys, we have to solve this question. How will we solve this question? Very simple. First of all, as I told you, first of all, you can put down the limit like in place of x, because 2 is the limit of x. So this will be in place of x. You can put down here 2 square minus 4 upon 2 plus 3. 2 to the 4 minus 4 upon 5. And there is a cut 0.5. And when you divide 0 by any number, then you can get 0. So many students confuse here that 0 is a determination form or indetermination form. So this is a determination form because 0 exists. Okay guys, so this condition is possible here. So this is the answer of this limit. So the limit of this function, this is a function on 2, the answer is 0, correct. But 0 may become upper side. The numerator of the function may be 0, but the denominator should not be 0. Okay, this is the condition here. Now we are taking another example. Example number 3. Limit x tends to 3 root 2x plus 3 over x plus 3. So guys, we will solve this question. Actually, limitation question comes in first class mathematics, but I am making base for the study differentiation, because without this no one can understand, because many of the students in first class, they didn't study very well, so that I started. Okay guys, and these topics we will clear very soon. Now this is the third question which I written here. So how will you solve? Yeah, as I told you, first of all you can take limit, then you can put down here. So now you can take 2 into 3 in place of x plus 3 upon 3 plus 3 equal to 2 3 ja 6 plus 3 upon 3 3 ja 3 3 6 6 3 9, and you know square root of 9 is 3. So now 3 over 6, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, that is equal to 1/2. So the answer of this 1/2. Clear guys? Very simple. We are using very simple method. We are putting directly limit in place of x and we are getting the answers. But now we are going to deeply of the limit questions, because these terms will be used in differentiation guys. So now I'm writing another question. Something all topics I will clear here about limit. Now there is a question number 4. Limit x tends to 3 and x4 minus x raised to power 4 minus 81 upon x minus 3. Okay guys, this is the question. So how will you solve this? If as I told you, first of all you can take directly limit and then you can solve. And if after putting directly limit you get what you get in determination form, 0.0, infinity upon infinity, and 0 in the denominator, then this condition will be not allowed. Okay, so I'm putting, first of all, checking after putting these value. Now you can put here in place of x 3 raised to power 4 minus 81 over 3 minus 3. Now if you will open this, then you will get this 81 minus 81 upon 3, cut 0, then 0 over 0. Guys, this is the which is indeterminate form. Okay guys, this is not possible because 0.0 we have to skip from this. So how will we skip? So there are so many questions, formulae like a plus b whole square, a square negative b square is equal to one time addition, because you study in the lower classes. This formula started from 8th class, I think. Okay guys, so a square negative b square equal to first time add, then subtract, and a very important formula, a plus b whole square, then a square plus b square plus 2ab, then a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So mostly here we can use also this formula, because in mathematics we can use anywhere. Okay guys, so this formula, this is the problem came here. So to skip from this, we can again taking problem, you can write again like limit x tends to 3 x raised to power 4 minus 81 over x minus 3, right? Now guys, you can write, because we can't take limit now because we have taken, and after taking the limit we have got 0.0, which is the indeterminate, so that we are solving again, so that this condition should be removed. We are trying to remove. Okay, I'm telling you one crystal method sure to solve any limit. First of all, x square minus 9 square you can write like this over x minus 3. You can consider as a square minus b square. X square is has a square a. Okay guys, so you can write by a square minus, this is a square, this is a square minus b square. So you can write a square minus a minus b or a plus b upon x minus 3, right? Now I'm missing this because we have learned this condition. Now we are solving limit x tends to 3, and this also we can write this 9, this is a 9, we can write 3 square, because 3 square is equal to 9. Then we can use also a square negative b square. Then first time you can add and then subtract over x minus 3, and this term also, this term will be as it is, because we don't have any formula a square plus b square. Now guys, this is a multiplication, then we can cut this, and now limit x tends to 3 x plus 3 x square plus 9 upon nothing, because we have cut. Now guys, there is no problem, you can put down limit. So I'm telling one thing, in denominator you can solve numerator perfectly. You can use many formulae which I written here, and you can also make some formulae. You can solve numerator, then easily you can solve, you can cut denominator, and when your denominator will cut, then you can put down limit, and no, there is no problem. Okay, so now you can take limit 3 in place of 3 plus 3 and 3 square plus 9, 3 3 6 into 3 3 is 9 and 6 into 9 9 18, and guys this is the 6 8 is 48 and 6 बन जा 6 10. This is the answer. Okay guys, this is the answer. So you know very well how did I solve this question? By using square a minus square b. I open 2 times. First I open here, then I open here, and then when I open, then x minus 3 comes upper side, and then in denominator there was a x minus 3, and we have cut, and when we have cut, then we put down value and get answer. That is the correct answer of this. Okay guys, so I think you are understanding. Now I am going to solve. I am giving you another question by root. So how we solve the question of root? Root question we are solving. This is very important for us. Question of I think 5. Limit x tends to 0. H tends to 0. Under root x plus h minus under root x upon h. Guys, this is the formula. No, this is the question, and we have to solve, evaluate to this, and after solving this, we will solve some result, special result. Guys, in the mathematics, we always find some result, and those result become what? Become formula. Like I will tell you after solving this. Okay, now firstly I am telling you, if you have root, then you can rationalize. Okay guys, rationalize in Hindi परिमेयकरण. So root कहाँ पे? यहाँ ऊपर in the numerator. Then you can rationalize of numerator. So in rationalize, we change the sign and we multiply in numerator and denominator as well, like we are doing. Continue here. If you are checking this, okay, I didn't tell you. Firstly, you can put down limit here. You can put 0. Root x minus root x cut upon 0, 0.0. Form is 0.0, which is impossible, which is in determination form. So now you can use rationalize numerator. We get. So you know very well rationalize. First of all, we can change this sign and multiply. So limit h tends to 0 and root x plus h minus root x upon h into under root x plus h plus under root x upon under root x plus h plus under root x. Okay guys, now guys, actually many students they skip equal sign, so you have to use, you have to have use equal sign, because equal sign is very important. Equal sign represents that you are getting a new step and you have selected a new step, so that's why you have to use. Understand? Yes. So now guys, we are skip in determination form because it's done, it's made here. So now I think you are looking this formula. This is the a, this is the b, a minus b, a plus b. As I told you, a plus b into a minus b, we can write a square minus b square. So in place of a x plus h root, in place of b root x, excuse me. Okay, so now here x plus h whole square minus under root x whole square, because a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square over upon h under root x plus h plus root x. Okay guys, yeah. Now limit s tend to 0, from square the root cancel. Okay, you know very well, x plus h minus x upon h under root x plus h plus root x. X cancel each other now, and this is the h we can cut also, it become 1. Limit s tend to 0, 1 upon under root x plus h plus x. Now in place of x h you can put down limit because there is no dangerous now. 1 upon under root x plus 0 plus under root x equal to 1 upon root x plus root x equal to 1 upon root x to root x. This is your correct answer guys. Okay, I think you must have been understand this question. So guys, we are taking 2 results, and those results are very very important. Because those results be used as a formula, like that is the sin x upon x, and the limit x tends to 0, and the value of this 1. This is the result, first result, and this result is known as a formula. Guys, I told you that how the solution is called result. So I am proving this like a plus b square is equal to, what is the a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then you can make also. How we can make? I'm telling you, you can take LHS. Leave this question. Firstly, I'm telling you, because the this is the RHS is the form of the LHS. This is the expanded form, and this is the result of this. How we can solve? Taking LHS and we can solve a square plus b square, a plus b whole square. Now you can write 2 times a plus b into a plus b. Now you can multiply a square plus ab plus ab plus b square. Now you can write a square plus b square ab 2ab. So guys, this is the RHS. So this is the solution of this function. So guys, if we are solving and those result is called a formula also, because this is the simplified form of this. Okay, you can say. Now I am telling you, by this you can make many formulae like a plus b whole cube equal to, you can write firstly a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. First of all you can multiply, and then what multiply will come of them. You can multiply of this and then you can get your answer. Very simple. Okay guys. So now I'm solving this result which I written on the top of whiteboard. So guys, now this is the result of this. How we get limit x tend to naught sin x upon x equal to 1. So in this case, because we are proving that it's mandatory to take LHS, limit x tend to 0 sin x upon x. Now you have a formula. Which one formula? Sin x equal to x minus x power cube upon 3 factorial, because there is a power, odd x raised to power 5 upon 5 factorial dot to negative infinity, so on. Now you can put down here 0 in place of sin x. You can put down, because okay, limit. If you directly taking limit, okay, take limit. Don't solve this. Take limit here. If you are taking sin 0 upon 0, sin 0 0 upon 0, this is the indeterminate form, which we don't want. Okay, so first of all you should check. Okay, as I checked. Now we can put down this all in place of sin x. So limit x tend to naught x minus x cube upon 3 plus x 5 power 5 upon 5 dot up to infinity upon x. Guys, I'm telling you key one key. I'm telling you, if this x will be cut, then your question will be solved. So I am trying to cut this. So in numerator we can take common x, like I am taking common x. We can take common. So 1 minus x square upon 3 plus x power 4 upon 5, and then so on up to infinity upon x. X cut. Guys, we can't cut here, because some students they cut like this. No, any number should be in multiply. Okay, so here in this case we cannot cut. Here should be written as it is. So now we cut. As I told you, if your denominator x will be cut, then you can take limit directly. Your question will be solved very easily. Okay guys, so now I'm missing this. Now you can take limit in place of x, because there is no dangers now. 1 minus 0 on 3 plus 0. There are so many power will come and they will become 0. So equal to 1 minus 0 plus 0. Then we can write the answer. So this is the RHS. So which formula I written in the starting on the board? I think you have notated them. If you didn't notate them, note them, then you can pause and you can note, and then you can start the solve question. Okay guys, I think you are thinking that these topics are in note 12th class, but guys, believe in me, there are so many questions depends on this. Okay, because I started this series: limitations, differentiation, and what? Integration. So these three topics very relative each. Okay, yeah. So now guys, it's okay for today, and we will meet again as soon as possible. And because I will make a daily video over the mathematics until the finish the maths, so I will try to make video daily. So if you are new on this channel, because I also new channel, so if you can wait, otherwise you can subscribe my channel, and you can press the bell icon to get more update. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching this. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.